Hello, welcome to my Sunday Farm. Today we have these packages and I just want to get through them to show you guys what I bought and show you some good deals that I find every week because this is just kind of like a restock. It's just to show you guys the deals, but also mostly restock. So this I get every week. I get this like for $3, 3.90 something. And this is sinus congestion and pain. And I do have sinus pressure, so I use this quite often whenever I feel like I have fever from like a cold or symptoms like that. I take this because most of the time I also have sinus. So that's a thing for me. This I got on a great deal. It's actually um was like under $5 on sale. And this is a one piece. See, this is the back. It's like low in the back. I love these to get some sun. The padding is in already sewn in. Oh no, it's not sewn in. So it's removable padding. This size is extra small. So it has like ample room for lady bumps. And this is by Sports Illustrated. Can you guys see that? It's by Sports Illustrated. And it's retails at $52. And I got this for almost like probably ballpark $3. And that's the bottom. They have another one that's 80s themed, just like this one. That's also same similar price. And you can find a bunch of other ones for under 10. But I thought that one was really cute. It's big cat and dark. Like, when you find big cat, it's usually not this dark, and I love that. It's got a color in it already. And yeah, that's kind of my thing when I go big cat. I like it to be kind of bold. So, let's see what this one is. Oh, I just bought like a little shave gel. Well, this is foam. This is like a travel size. It's under $2. It's $1 something. In case you guys want to get one, it's only like under $2. You know, and it's not a lot, but I mean, I don't know if you're gonna be shaving for a month. That would be another story. Me, like, I just go, I just restock whenever, so it really doesn't matter. And here, I got another clothing item. So this is another like under $5 item. You can see it's Miko-san, and it's a kind of a cute top. And I bought it because like it was cute, and it's actually got like a almost like a built-in bra, but not really completely built in. So this is like a golf shirt. It's like an athletic type style shirt, I think. But I mean, it's nice. Like you could wear it with some nice bottoms, and it's got ruche in the front to accentuate, the top area. And these straps are kind of really cute. I think you can see there's like detail on the side, so um, it's kind of more nicer than most $3 tops that I buy. I'd say the fabric is cute. Fabric's really nice. Um, it's cotton, very, very cotton, and I like it. So I don't know what this is. What is this about? Um, oh, I wonder who did this. This is so weird. Okay, so I'm gonna guess I know exactly what this is. Oh my gosh. The one, the only. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, it's so tiny. Crystals. Oh no, it's broken? Is it broken or something? It's leaking. Oh dear. I don't know if it's broken. I have to put this up because like I said, I don't know if it's broken, but it's kind of leaked everywhere. So let me put that to the side. Kind of wipe my hand. So this is, I got this Pro Concealer or Pro Conceal by, who is this, by LA Girl? I believe it's by LA Girl. Yeah, it says right here, LA Girl. Pro Conceal Highlighter. So this is a liquid highlighter and I want to use this in one of my tutorials. I have a couple other things that I wanted to use, including this one is a palette that I wanted to try out. And this one is in the color nudes, I think they call it color. Let's see, it doesn't say the name of this one. Earthy. This one is called Earthy. See that? And they're kind of nude earthy colors. So in case you guys want to check those out, this was $2 and this was $2, under $2, both of them, I believe. And then I got these berberine gummies, and I wanted to try these because I heard they kick in the GLP-1, which is what like Ozempic and stuff is, but these are 100% natural, and they have I think they have other stuff in them. I'll read it off when I get it open. But I really wanted these, and I think I got them for around $10, I'd say. And yeah, I think most of them are above $10. If you want to get like the pill, then you can find a deal there, but these gummies are usually $10 up. Maybe if you're interested in these berberine, like I said, it supports the GLP-1, which is helpful if you're trying to um, work on your body composition. So it says here it has berberine, Ceylon cinnamon, milk thistle, turmeric, chromium, and vitamin B12. So vitamin B12 helps your energy. Chromium helps you not be hungry. Turmeric helps you, it supports like your ability, like your joints and stuff, like inflammation. Milk thistle, it supports like your urinary tract. And cinnamon, it supports I believe it helps with weight issues. I think it could help address that. And so berberine, like I said, was the one that if you're targeting the GLP-1 effect, that would be it. The natural route. It says 2 gummies, and the flavor. Let's see, what flavor is this? Mixed berries. So these are what they look like, just regular bears, gummy bears. And They're sugar free and they're really tart. They taste like Tang. Um, and kind of very, very natural fruit flavor. All at one. I give the flavor a 10 out of 10. Like instantly, it's really good. It's really good. I didn't expect them to be that good. But yeah, these taste good. And let me see how many times you take these a day. It just says 2 gummies. That's all it says. Huh. So I'm assuming you take 2 of these a day. It doesn't say with every meal you take 2. So I'm just going to assume they're 2 a day. Now, this is the milk that I have come to like that has shelf life. And it's coconut milk, organic coconut milk, regular coconut milk, just like a little carton of it. And it's under $3. It's $2.90 something. So that's a good deal for me. Here is actually a hair wig, and it comes with a cute little something. The hair wig, what is it like? Oh, it's got natural scalp, and it's very nice. I find it really cute. Um, I'll probably show that to you another day though. And let's see. So this is the rest of the stuff I got, just like grocery stuff. And it's Gatorade, zero. This one has zero. I think it has zero sugar in it. It's got 5 calories per serving right here. And it says 0 grams of sugar. And let's see, the sodium. The sodium is 12%, so it's just like a regular refreshment, like a regular soda pop or something. So that's that. I got a pack of water, like those little mini waters. I got 24 bottles. And the pack of water, it came with a coupon, so it was under $4. And these Gatorades, they're under $7 with the coupon. You can get them for $6.90 something. These were $2.99 for 45 plates, foam, soak proof. They're pretty sturdy. So like if you're at a cookout making barbecue, heavy things. The carne asada, you can use this, and it's pretty durable. This is a cheesy double-decker taco. We have recipes up if you want to check those out. But it's like a crunchy taco, a flour tortilla, and then the cheese. So it says right here, 6 soft tortillas, Velveeta cheese sauce, 6 crunchy taco shells, and taco seasoning. So it's the whole kit. You just add your meat. And that also was $2.90 something. I restocked my eyelash glue, which I use Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive Glue. This has aloe in it, and it is clear. It's like goes on white and then it dries clear. It really does dry clear. So like if you're putting it on in a hurry and you see white, don't panic. Just blow on it and it will turn clear. And then for my face makeup, I restocked LA Colors Truly Matte. This is actually my color, but it's natural. I usually use the lightest color of foundation on my face, so you might not recognize me because I'm using a natural more pigment. And this is high pigment foundation. I believe it works really good for my live streams, and that's why I bought it again. And then I don't know, I just wanted to up the ante in my cleaning. And I got this urine removal for stains and odors, works on hard and soft surfaces. So you can use this for toilets, urinals. It says rugs and carpets, tile and grout, mattresses and upholstery. So if there's accidents, whether by pet or human, you know, whether by vandalism or an accident, um, you can just wipe it up with this, and um, it tells you exactly how to go about it for each scenario. And it says you can spray it directly, and it tells you um, for grout, for carpet, for outdoor use. You see that? So this is it tells you don't use it on brass, marble, painted surfaces, and to test for color fast before you use it direct. But I mean, I think it'll work. I'm not sure if I should use it or not because it's kind of like, I don't know. I usually just use bleach. And then of course I restock my Power Crunch bars because why not? And but thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video. Give it a like, comment, share, subscribe. Check out some of my other videos. I've been uploading consistently, guys. So make sure you to follow me. And yeah, I think we're making chili next. So be sure to check out that recipe too. And also makeup tutorial coming up. So as promised, I'll be business as usual all summer long. So subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you on the next one. My son different.